Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our vinyl repair tape to patch a leaking seam. I already have a piece of repair tape cut out and ready to go. You can buy these on our website in 5-foot rolls or various patches. And I'm going to, while it's still attached to this paper, cut the edges of the tear aid and round off the corners. Rounding off the corners helps prevent the patch from peeling off after you apply it. Okay, now that the corners are rounded off, I am going to peel off one side of the patch. I'm not going to peel the entire thing off, kind of like if you were applying a vinyl decal. I'm just going to fold over the paper on the edge so that a little bit of the vinyl tape is exposed. If it's easier, you can have a second person helping you with this, but I'm going to make sure that the seam is stretched out and flat when I apply it. So I'm just going to take the tape and I'm going to start it on this side. Just make sure that the edge of your tape is anchored and secure to the vinyl before you start peeling off the rest of it. So I'm going to keep the rest of the seam stretched out and firm, and then just like I said, applying a vinyl decal, you're going to pull off the rest of the paper and put your hand on the other side where the vinyl is to keep the patch flat. You want to stretch the patch as tightly as you can. This repair tape is very elastic, and so it's actually made to do that. Okay, now the tape is completely applied, so I'm just going to push out any of the air bubbles and make sure that the patch is secure. Once you push out all of the air bubbles, your patch is completed and you've prevented any air from leaking out of the seam.